Hello everyone, my name is Samir Sardana, a Plus educator on Unacademy. I'm teaching students live on Unacademy Plus for CAT exam preparation. And we have with us Hemant Agarwal, who have recently given the interview of IIM Rohtak. Hemant Agarwal scored 95.87 percentile in CAT 2020. So we will be talking with Hemant Agarwal about his experience, what were the questions that were asked to Hemant in IIM Rohtak interview so that you can get an idea what are the kind of questions that you can expect from in your MBA's interviews. So Hemant, welcome to LRA Prep. Can you please give us what how was your experience in IIM Rohtak? What were the questions that they asked? Can you please tell us about that?
So the experience was good. Initially, they asked me to introduce myself, and then they asked me some questions related to current affairs, as if the Krishi Kalyan bills. They asked me what was it, and then they asked me about the various aspects of finance. Since my background is related to finance, so they asked me some questions related to my profile, as if what is EBITDA and what are the finance. Name some financial ratios, and if you are checking a balance sheet, if you're analyzing a balance sheet, then name two ratios which you will see foremost. So those were the questions. Apart from that, sir, they asked me to tell what other hobbies do I pursue, and these were it, sir. No specific questions regarding any thing else. These were my interviews around 10 to 12 minutes,
Okay.
and they asked related to this only, sir.
Okay, so first they ask you about the introduction, right? So yeah,
Yes,
any
sir.
questions? Why do you want to go for MBA? The standard questions that we generally see in the mock interviews. Did they ask why do you want to go for MBA?
No, sir, they didn't ask me that why do you want to go for MBA or any other HR questions like strengths, weaknesses. They didn't ask me any such questions.
Okay, no
They
questions
asked
from the HR part. I mean, the strength
no,
and
sir.
weakness. And okay, what about the questions on hobbies? Did they ask any question on hobby?
Yes, sir. They asked me that any other hobbies which you would like us to know. So they asked me a specific question on hobbies. So they were interested in knowing what other thing do I pursue in my free time and all. They asked me, and I said about the various sports which I have played in my school days and all. So they asked me about my hobbies.
Can you give us a specific idea what was the exact question that they asked from the hobby and what were the counter question out after it?
So they asked me that any other hobbies which you pursue and you would like us to know. So since I have represented at the state level, I have played badminton at the state level. So I said them that I have played badminton at the state level, and I have also mentioned about yoga since I practiced yoga. So they asked me a question or two on yoga and nothing more specific. So these were the questions related to
Okay,
hobbies.
and what about the academics? Did they ask any questions from the academics? You have done BCom, right? And you
Yes, sir.
also are a CFA graduate. So you have
Yes,
cleared
sir.
CFA level 1 and CFA level 2. What were the
Yes,
questions
sir.
that they asked in from the finance section?
So they asked me about EBITDA, that is earning before interest tax depreciation, and they asked me name four financial ratios, and if you are analyzing a balance sheet, then what two ratios will you look at foremost? So these three were specific questions from the finance part, sir.
And questions from the okay, these are the questions from your academic background. So what were the questions exactly from the current affairs part?
Current affairs, they specifically mentioned the Krishi bills. That do you have any idea about the Krishi bills? So I didn't remember the names, but they were not expecting. I think so. They were not expecting the names also. They were expecting what are the features and why this current protests are going on. So I said about that the farmers are fearful that eventually the MSP will be abolished and all. So these were the main. They wanted to know that why they are protesting and what the laws, what is there in the law which due to which the farmers are protesting or which are against the rights of farmers. So I said them that the bills provide wider markets to farmers, but they fear that it will weaken the mandis and eventually MSP will be abolished. So these were the questions regarding.
Okay, so mainly your interview was based from your academic backgrounds, your and current affairs, and it was based on your hobbies, right? Did they
Yes, sir.
ask you to speak on any particular topic for 2 minutes? The any extemporary
No,
topic
sir,
that
they
you
didn't. They didn't ask me to speak on any particular topic.
And so what would you, like to tell our, viewers, students who will be sitting for the interviews in future for IIM Rohtak and any other, MBA interviews? What would be your advice after giving this interview, now that you have experienced a real-time interview, a real interview, right? What would you like to say? What was a differentiating factor that you particularly think that if you would have done this better, the interview would have been, interview would have gone, more, in a good way?
Sir, I think whatever you are saying, whatever you're replying, they'll ask questions from that only. So if you're going in there with a fixed mindset that they'll ask only these questions, what are strengths, weaknesses, or don't expect that that's necessary that they'll ask, because whatever you're saying, they'll ask. If you're saying that I am good, I did this at some stage of my life, so they'll ask you regarding that only. So it's not that they'll ask something out of your profile. Whatever is there in your profile, first of all, they'll ask questions related to that profile. Then they'll ask a basic current affairs question. They asked me about the Krishi Kalyan, so they might ask, to some students, they have also asked about the budget, that what provisions are there in the budget, what benefits are there in this recent budget. So they'll ask about the current affairs, the profile, and in my case, they asked me about the hobbies. I mentioned yoga, but they asked me about specific benefits of particular asana, I which I was not able to say correctly. So that thing was thing which I could have avoided. So just a small advice from my side, sir. If you're mentioning anything, be ready to face counter questions on that, because if you're saying that you're doing anything, then they'll also want to have a conversation on that topic. So you cannot just say and let away that you will not be asked questions on that, and nothing else. And the interview was
Okay. And
decent.
did you have a gap year also after your graduation, in your profile?
Yes, sir, I had gap years, but
So did they
since
ask any question on the gap years?
exactly, I forgot to mention that they asked me about the gap years also, that you have passed this thing quite long and you have not been doing anything since then. So I told them that I was mentoring CA students. So they also gave me, they also said, okay, you are mentoring CA students. I also said them that I had interest in the subjects, so I was mentoring this. So they are quite fine with that reply.
So जब आपने हेमंत ये गैप ईयर के बारे में जब आपने उनसे डिस्कशन किया, डिड यू फील
हाँ
कि
सर.
अब ये गैप ईयर वाला क्वेश्चन वाज कन्विंसिंग? मतलब उनको बच्चे काफी वरी करते हैं दैट इफ दे हैव 1 ईयर और 2 इयर्स गैप, तो ये काफी नेगेटिवली इम्पैक्ट करता है इंटरव्यू के अंदर। क्या बहुत ज्यादा उन्होंने इस पे आपको ग्रिल किया, कि गैप आपका ईयर्स का गैप काफी ज्यादा है, आप इतने साल से कुछ नहीं कर रहे हो? आपको लगा कि गैप ईयर होना एक नेगेटिवली इम्पैक्ट करता है बच्चे को, बच्चे के सिलेक्शन
नहीं
के
सर,
चांसेस?
नहीं सर, एक्चुअली उन लोग के रिएक्शन से भी ऐसा लगा कि गैप ईयर होना कुछ गलत नहीं है। जस्ट अगर आप कुछ कर रहे हो तो आप बता सकते हो कि हाँ, मैं ऐसा कुछ कर रहा था इस दौरान। ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि सर, कि आप गैप ईयर्स है तो आपको कुछ मतलब यू आर एलिमिनेटेड फ्रॉम द कंपटीशन, ऐसा नहीं है सर। इफ यू आर एबल टू कन्विंस देम एंड यू एबल टू से लिटिल बिट अबाउट द गैप ईयर्स यू आर डूइंग समथिंग ड्यूरिंग दैट पीरियड, सो दे आर फाइन, यस, ओके। सो दैट्स नॉट a bad thing that if you are having bad years, so gap year, so you'll be tense and worried. It's not that, sir. Log bhi, they also make you feel comfortable, and if you are able to say something on that and convince them, so they are okay with that.
That's great, Hemant. I guess this will give the viewers a fair idea what are the questions that they can expect in the MBA's interviews. And wish you all the best for your result. Yeah, is there anything that you
And
want to add?
yes, sir. Actually, in I am Rohtak interview this year, they are actually uh, starting the interview with extempore only. In various cases, we are seeing that बहुत सारे बच्चे लोग भी बोले हैं कि बहुत एक बंदा है सर, उसका इलेक्ट्रिकल का कुछ बैकग्राउंड था, तो उसे as soon as he entered the interview, they asked him about to that he has 30 seconds to think about the topic and you have to speak 90 seconds on it. So they are extempore, they are also conducting extempore in this I am Rohtak interviews nowadays. They are doing so, but it's not necessary that they'll conduct extempore for each and every student. So that is the thing I wanted to say.
All right, great, Hemant. Thank you so much for giving us these, the real time interview questions, right? The real actual interview questions, right? I hope this will
Thank-
help the students a lot. Thanks a lot. I wish you
Thank
all
you,
the
sir.
best for your result.
Thank you, sir.